Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable remote desktop connection on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable remote desktop connection on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on System. Now scroll down. The last option is About. Click on About. Here you will find a link, Advanced System Settings. You can open Advanced System Settings from here, or you can open Advanced System Setting from your File Explorer. Click on File Explorer and then right click on this PC and then click on Properties. Here also you will find Advanced System Settings. Now close this option and close File Explorer. Now click on Remote tab. Here you will find an option Remote Desktop, and by default Remote Desktop is not allowed. That's why don't allow remote connections to this computer is selected. If you want to enable remote desktop connection, just click on Allow here, and if you want to remotely connect from any computer running remote desktop, just click here for anonymous remote connection. Then click on Apply. Now click on OK. This is the easiest way to enable remote desktop connection on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.